Hello, wonderful boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. Today, we're going to be talking about the short U sound. Our lesson is going to be on the short U sound. What I would like for you to do is get in a very comfortable place and just get relaxed so that we can learn about the short U sound. Boys and girls, the letter you see on your screen is a U. It is capitalized and is also lowercase. The U can make two sounds because it is a vowel. The U can make a short U sound and it can make a long U sound. The short U sound sounds like an umbrella or cup. The long U sound is oo, like in future or uniform or unicorn. We're going to focus on the short U sound, like in umbrella. So boys and girls, get relaxed and let's continue learning. Here is the alphabet that we use in the English language. This alphabet is also used in other languages like French and Spanish. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. We're going to focus on just one letter, and that is the letter U. U is a vowel, and it can make two sounds. It can make the sound, like in cup, or it can make the oo sound, like in fuel. We're going to be focusing on the short U sound. What is the short U sound? The short U sound is like in cup, or in the word umbrella. You try those words with me. Cup, umbrella. You did a fantastic job. Here are two more words with the short U sound. We have drum and we have sun. Remember, the short U sound is drum, sun. Say these words after me. Drum, sun. You are amazing. Let's keep going. Do you recognize the things on the pictures on your screen? I bet you do. The first thing is a truck. Truck has the short U sound. And then we have bus. Bus. Both words have the short U sound. Repeat after me. Truck and bus. Let's keep learning. These words also have the short U sound. We have bunny and we have mud. Remember, the short U sound is bunny, mud. Now you say the words all by yourself. You did a great job. Now we have bug and we have under. Bug and under. The dog is under the water. Both words have the short U sound. Say the words after I do. Bug, under. Don't forget, boys and girls, your learning potential is limitless. You're doing a great job. We have one more slide before we get some practice. Look at these two words. They both have the short U sound. One is run and the other one is jump. Run and jump. Remember, the short U sound is run and jump. Now you say the words all by yourself. Bravo! You did a marvelous job. Now we're going to get some practice saying many words with the short U sound. On your screen, boys and girls, are several words with the short U sound. Let's say the words in column 1. Bus, cup, dunk, fun, gum, hut, and jump. Don't forget that the short U sound is the sound. Now for column 2. Umbrella, under, understand, us, and utter. All of those words have the short U sound. Column 3, repeat after me. Buck, cut, flutter, Gus, hum, mustard, and run. Great job. And here's our final column. Repeat after me. Cub, duck, muck, nut, pumpkin, rug, and sun. They all have the short U sound. What is the short U sound? You're right. It is Now, boys and girls, let's check your understanding. There are 2 words on your screen. Which one has the short U sound? Is it ruin or is it rug? Which word has the short U sound, which is ruin or rug? Rug is the right answer. You did a great job. What about Cupid or cup? Which of these words has the short U sound? Cupid or is it cup? You did an amazing job. You're right. The answer is cup. Cup has the short U sound. Now we have fun or fuel. Fun or fuel. Which one has the short U sound? Fun. You're right. Fun has the short U sound. And what about these 2 words? We have puny and we have pumpkin. Puny and pumpkin. Which of these 2 words has the short U sound? Amazing, you're right. Pumpkin has the short U sound. We have one more comprehension slide, boys and girls. Let's keep learning together. All right, what about pupil and pup? Pupil and pup. Does pupil have the short U sound, or does pup have the short U sound? If you said pup, you got the right answer. I am so proud of you. Keep going. Well, brilliant scholars, this concludes our lesson on the short U sound. Remember that the letter U is a vowel, and vowels can make 2 sounds. In this case, the U can make the short U sound, which is like in umbrella, or cup, or fun, or even pumpkin, or the U can make the long U sound, like in Cupid, or fuel, or pupil. That's the long U sound. Well, boys and girls, I want to thank you for listening, watching, and learning for Avant-garde books. Have a beautiful day. Well, wonderful boys and girls, let's keep learning together. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to our educational channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.